Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2022 Ram 2500 Laramie. This vehicle features a 6.4-liter V8 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX, and this is a CARFAX certified one-owner vehicle as well. As we get closer to this 3/4-ton pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek Delmonico Red Pearlcoat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille, as well as down around those fog lights and tow hooks. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side and take a look at this vehicle's tires and wheels. This vehicle features chrome 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter, so you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Here on the outside of your mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those. And on the insides on the mirrors, you'll be able to see that you do have heated mirrors with this vehicle, which will help to prevent them from fogging up, as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. And all along the bottom of the cab of this pickup, you do have black and chrome running boards to help you get in and out with ease. On the handle of this vehicle, you do have passive keyless entry, which is that little chrome square right there. Passive keyless entry is really convenient because it'll basically let you get inside the vehicle when it's locked without ever needing to take the keys out of your pocket or your purse. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely jet black simulated suede and leather upholstery on these seats, very smooth and comfortable ride. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. As you'll be able to see here on this inspection form, you do have green checks the entire way around, and as for your tire treads, you have 11 seconds in both your front tires and 14 seconds in both your rear tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 11 seconds in the front and 13 seconds in the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well. So if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look it up in there. We'll now come along here and take a look at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, this vehicle can seat a total of 5 people, but if you seat 4 or less, this middle seat does fold down to become an additional armrest with 2 cup holders in it. Over here on the rear of that front center console, you do have 2 more cup holders here, a small space for something like the rear occupant's phones, USB and USB-C charging ports, a power outlet, 2 more cup holders here on the floor, as well as pockets in the backs of both of those front seats. And down on the floor, you do have carpeted floor mats to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue around to take a look here now at the rear of this pickup. Here on the rear of this pickup, you do have a pre-installed tow bar for a trailer hitch hookup, and you also have a spare tire behind it if you're ever in a pinch. And all along the bottom of the bumper, you do have rear proximity sensors. That is what those little dots are, and you also have them in the front. And they will let you know if there's anything behind you whenever you're backing up or parking, and you also have a backup camera to go along with that. I will just open up the tailgate here to show you how much space you have in the bed. And as you'll be able to see, that tailgate does go down by itself without slamming, as this pickup does have tailgate assist. Alright, as you'll be able to see back here, this 3/4-ton pickup does have a bed that's a little over 6 feet, so you've got plenty of space to haul some pretty nice loads in here. You also have a spray-in bedliner to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches those loads might give it. I'll just put this tailgate back up, and we'll continue around to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience, and both of them do come with remote start as well. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks. And as for the driver's seat, you do have 8-way powered seating adjustments, so you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a tilting steering wheel, meaning you can move it up and down to fit you as you like. You also have adjustable foot pedals as well. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your dashboard backlight controls, as well as your headlight controls. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle is a push to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard is lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 45,151 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these, you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you. Right above those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. And then on the right side of the steering wheel are your cruise controls. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of this vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen, LCD display, and you also have built-in navigation to help prevent you from ever getting lost. I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. Right above that display, you do have a small space as well as a power outlet. Underneath it, you do have your climate controls, and the front passenger seat and the front driver's seat are both heated, and you also have a heated steering wheel, all to help keep you warm in the winter. To the left is your electronic gear shift and four-wheel drive shift. And underneath those climate controls, this pickup does come with an integrated trailer braking controller, your tow haul mode switch here, as well as electronic stability mode toggle, which just helps to prevent skidding and sliding. Beneath that, you do have two USB and USB-C charging ports, an aux cord plug-in, two cup holders here, a small storage space here, and this tray does slide forwards and backwards. You do have a shallow tray here with another USB charging port inside, and then this does fold up for you to store several larger items underneath. Lastly, we will take a look up, as on the ceiling here, you do have a built-in garage door opener, and you do have a power sliding rear window to really enjoy those sunny summer days. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, so before you make the drive out to our dealership, we want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this vehicle, you do have some minor wear in a few spots, such as a marking there on the ceiling, and a few discolorations on the ceiling as well. But other than those, nothing else is standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever. So we'll continue to take a look here now at the outside of it. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of this vehicle, we do have several nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. Stone chipping does tend to show a little more whenever the colors are as metallic and glossy as these are. We'll come along here now to the passenger side. We do have some slight scuffing there on the black plastic of that mirror cap. Some slight scuffs here on that rear passenger side door as well. A significant nick there. And I did notice earlier, you have some scuffing there on the inside of this door as well. Some scratches towards the top of the passenger side of the bed, as well as there. And we'll continue around here to the rear, somewhere around that handle. Now often on pickups where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, that is the case for this pickup. You do have several nicks along the top of that tailgate, as well as in the bed, and a little bit of warping here on the edge of that bed liner. I'll just put the tailgate back up, and we'll continue back around here to the driver's side. A nick there. There. A scuff there. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a red 3/4 ton crew pickup with the ability to seat 5, a good amount of space in the bed with tailgate assist, a spray-in bedliner, a pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, front and rear proximity sensors, black and chrome running boards, carpeted floor mats, heated mirrors, smartphone integration, built-in navigation, a rear power sliding window, built-in garage door openers, fog lights, tow hooks, 2 keys with remote start, passive keyless entry, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.